Hi, today's video is related to the house plants which I recently purchased from the local nursery. The nursery name was Rajeshwari Nursery, and if you have any kind of query regarding the location of the nursery and the phone number, then please let me know in the comment section. I already got the nursery tour video which is divided into two parts in my channel, so I will give the link in the description box as well as on the top right. The first plant that I got, here you can see my beautiful plant. This plant name is Rhaphidophora tetrasperma and the common name for this plant is Mini Monstera or Philodendron guinea. There are different varieties of Monstera plant available, but this plant species is quite different in comparison of the Monsteras. But this plant leaf shape and the leaf splits quite look alike like the Monsteras. That's why this plant is known as Mini Monsteras. This is nowadays a very popular house plant because you can guess that the leaf fenestration is very beautiful, and this is a very easy to care house plant as well. So you can see my plant leaves are very big in size and the splits are really very awesome. So this plant is native to Thailand and Malaysia. So your plant will thrive if you give this plant bright and direct sunlight, but never put this plant in direct sunlight. While growing this Rhaphidophora or the Monstera deliciosa, or you have got any variety of Monsteras, then the soil mixture is very important. You should always use a very well drained soil, and while watering your plant, the soil mixture should be moist all the time, but your plant should never sit in the water. In talking about the level of humidity and the temperature, this plant will thrive if you give this plant moderate to high level of humidity. So to increase the level of humidity, you can regularly mist your plant. And if you have this plant, please let me know in the comment section that how you are taking care of this plant. The second plant variety that I purchased is this plant. This plant name is Philodendron Prince of Orange, and this is a variety of philodendron. This is a hybrid variety of philodendron, and we all know that philodendrons are very easy to care houseplant, but the most striking thing about philodendrons are that they have got different varieties in their foliage, and I already have 7 to 8 varieties of philodendrons, and most of all the philodendrons are very easy to care and also propagate. And in near future I will upload a video regarding the total care of philodendrons, and I will also show you the philodendrons variety I have. You can guess why this plant is known as Prince of Orange, because when the new leaf appear, the leaf color is totally orange color, and afterwards the leaf color changes into dark green color, and the edges of the leaf is already in red color, which is very different in comparison of the other philodendron. So if you want to add a colorful plant in your indoors rather than a croton which have striking foliage, then you can definitely add Philodendron Prince of Orange to your collection. So the last plant for this video is this beautiful hanging basket plant. This plant common name is zebra basket plant, lipstick plant and lipstick vine plant, and the scientific name for this plant is Escananthus longicoleus. In the description box I will give the name and the details regarding this plant, and if you want to know that what price I have paid for this plant, please let me know in the comment section. So friends, if you are looking for a beautiful hanging basket plant which have got different kind of foliage, then you can definitely add this plant into your shopping list. So here you can see the plant. The leaf is quite waxy, so this plant is kind of a succulent type. That's why this plant needs very little watering, and the best thing about this plant is the underside of the leaf, where you can see purple kind of pattern, which really looks very beautiful and very different in comparison of the other house plants. So this is a very easygoing house plant, and this plant really like a sunny spot with few hours of bright filtered sunlight every day, and you should always use a very well drained potting mixture with some perlite, and if you got orchid bark then that could be better. So let me know in the comment section if you got this plant and how you are taking care of this plant. That's all I have for today's video, and more videos like this are on its way, so stay tuned to my channel. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.